Have you ever felt like the weight on your shoulders wasn't just heavy, but impossible? We live in a culture that celebrates exhaustion, wearing busyness as a badge of honor. Yet one truth runs throughout Scripture. God never intended us to carry life's burdens alone. From Genesis to Revelation, God's posture toward humanity is consistent. He is not in the business of crushing people. He is in the business of lifting them. God's heart, freedom, and rest. When God encountered Israel in Egypt, he found a people crushed by oppression. In Exodus 3, he says, I have seen the misery of my people. I have heard their cry, and I am concerned about their suffering. God did not tell them to work harder. He came to deliver them. After freeing Israel, God established something revolutionary, the Sabbath. In a world where value was measured by productivity, God commanded rest. Through the sabbatical year and jubilee, he provided debt relief and restoration, proving his heart has always been freedom and peace, Jesus and the weary soul. This theme reaches its fullest expression in Jesus, who invites us, "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." Matthew 11:28. Notice the invitation, not achievement, but rest. Conversely, Jesus challenged leaders who used faith to oppress others. They tie up heavy loads and put them on other people's shoulders. Matthew 23:4. God is a burden bearer, not a burden maker. Any religion that crushes people misses his heart. This principle extends even to complex issues like divorce. While pointing to God's ideal for marriage, Jesus noted that legal concessions were made due to human brokenness, Matthew 19:8. In the ancient world, these legal protections safeguarded vulnerable women from destitution. Even in brokenness, God creates pathways to reduce suffering and protect the vulnerable. The Jethro principle, share the load. The clearest lesson on structural burnout comes from Moses. Trying to handle every dispute for millions of people, he ran himself into the ground. His father-in-law, Jethro, confronted him. "What you are doing is not good. You and these people will wear yourselves out. The work is too heavy for you. You cannot handle it alone." Exodus 18:17-18. Jethro exposed a dangerous leadership trap. One leader carries everything. The leader burns out. The people suffer. His solution was simple: appoint capable leaders, delegate responsibility, and share the load. Carrying everything isn't faithfulness, is dysfunction. Healthy communities, whether families, businesses, or churches, don't depend on single heroes. They build shared systems of care, living out Galatians 6:2. Carry each other's burdens, and in this way you will fulfill the law of Christ. Release the weight. You were never meant to carry everything alone. Take a breath, release what isn't yours to carry, share the load, and enter into the rest God intended for you.